Hi, Beatriz. How are you today?
Hello, Diana. I am happy and excited, and you?
I am fine. But tell me what you are happy?
It is okay. Do you remember the email we sent last week?
Yes, I remember what happened.
Mm, well, mm, they love our thing.
Oh my God, brilliant.
No, uh, with moves, seen and video asking us question about our routines and preference.
Okay, what do you do on weekends?
I am going to visit my parents and my sister would like to cook together, together as family, so is spend time with things. And you, what do you on weekends?
I get up early around 6 o'clock, then I show and head rest. I watch the news on my TV, check my messenger and have breakfast at home.
7 a.m. is too early for me, but tell me when do you study?
I study in the afternoon from 3 o'clock to 6. And what do you like to do? And what things do you not like?
I like to play my outlet. I love to sing, dancing, read these activities, read my friend, string and call. My do what I do not like is the smell of cigarette and the dirty streets of a place. What kind of food do you like?
Yes, you are right now. Dirty streets look bad. Will I like pollo al horno? And what about food? What do you like to eat and drink?
I like to eat green chicken pollo al horno, fettuccine, salad, every meal. As for drinks, I love fruit with.
Oh, what is great? What kind of music do you like?
I like salsa and bachata. What is for your favorite type of music?
Wow, what an excellent choice in your music. I love salsa and bachata too.
Oh, and that is great. That is enough.
If I agree with you, that's in fine. I hope everything goes well with on dialogue.
I hope to take care, Diana.
Well, see you.
Bye.
Bye.